Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can set up additional languages for your agent on Dialogflow in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to Dialogflow, and for this method you will need to access your agent's settings by clicking into that gear icon in the top left. Before you do that though, select the agent from that list or click into this option here, View All Agents, and click into that gear icon from there. So I will go with this agent here. Next, in your settings, navigate to languages, and you will see the default language here. You have set, for example, during the agent creation, but you may add additional languages by clicking into this button. Let me go with French. Where is it? There. And you may add more of them and switch between these languages for your agent here. Now, of course, you will need to save these settings here in the top right, and that's basically it. You may add also a locale or locale, or you remove the given language, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.